Talk about weather instruments. Are you excited? Very good. Now, let's have the objectives for this lesson. Number 1, identify weather instruments. And number 2, describe the uses of the different weather instruments. Okay? Okay, fasten your seatbelt. Before that, let's have the song. The weather song. Are you familiar with the song here? Look at this one. Are you familiar with this song? The weather song. No? Okay, listen. Okay, ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it cold? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? Is it stormy? Is it hot? Okay? Okay, let's try. Everybody follow me. Everybody. Okay, start. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it cold? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? Is it stormy? Is it loud? Do you like the song? Okay, let's try to sing it again. Faster. Okay. Okay, everybody, ready? Okay, start. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it cold? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? Is it stormy? Is it hot? Oh, very good. Okay. Nice song, right? Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay. What are the types of weather mentioned in the song? Unsa ang mga nagkalalaing klase sa panahon nga atong dungog sa kanta, nga naa sa lyrics sa kanta. Okay, this is a sort of review already. Okay, here. Sunny, yes, windy, rainy, what else? Oh, snowy, cloudy, and stormy. And by the way, ang atong iskutan sa atong lesson is all the weather conditions nga na-experience sa Philippines, right? What ka mention sa snowy, pero atong kita na unsa ng snowy. But we focus on the 5 weather conditions nga atong na-experience sa Pilipinas. Okay? Okay, let's proceed now. Okay. Question. Everybody, listen. Does weather changes? Mausab ba kuno ang panahon? Mausab ba ang panahon? Yes, very good. Yes, mag-usab-usab. Like for example, ganina pag-abot ninyo, what is the weather for this morning? Yes, sunny because the sun shines brightly. Sinag ang adlaw, hayag kay ang adlaw. But karon, what do you think? Yes, it is cloudy. So every now and then, that weather changes in a certain period of time. Mag-usab-usab ang kondisyon sa atong panahon. Mag-usab-usab. Mo rainy, mo cloudy, mo windy, mo sunny. Diba? Okay. Sige. When can we feel that the weather is cold? Based on the song. Kanus amon tayo maka-feel nga? Bugnaw ang panahon. Cold, bugnaw. When can we feel that the weather is cold? Yes, very good. During stormy, yes, windy and snowy. Sa ato snowy, wala tayo snowy, but we can feel cold if when the weather is snowy, windy, and stormy. Okay? Now, next. When can we feel that the weather is hot? Okay, based on the song, when can we feel? Kanus aman ta makabati nga? Init ang panahon. Yes, very good. During sunny day. Unsa pay lain? Basta init ang basag sigang adlaw, natural nga init ang panahon because when the sun is hot, the wind is also hot. And ang atong temperature ana mo taas kay mo init man. Okay? Okay, next one. Can we measure the coldness and the hotness of the atmosphere? Oh, can we measure the coldness and the hotness of the atmosphere? Dili? Example, kanang hilantan mo sa hilantan ta. Unsa may gamiton sa atong mama? Ma-measure ba na unsay by the way dinhi dili? Unsay mahibaw-an ba kung pila igiiniton sa atong lawas kung hilantan ta? Mahibaw-an, di ba? Unsa may gamit sa atong mama be? Sa inyong mama sa inyo, unsa gigamit? Yes. Dili temperature. Ang temperature mao na siya ang giiniton o gibugnahon sa lawas or sa lawas sa tao or sa atong palibot. Mao na ang temperature. Dili ang temperature ang gigamit sa atong mama ha, be usbara sa inyong dili na temperature. Dili na instrument ang temperature. Ang temperature mao na ang degree sa giiniton o gibugnahon sa atong lawas o sa atong palibot. Mao na'y temperature, di ba? Okay. Now, how can we measure the coldness and the hotness of the atmosphere? Wala yun. B. Another. Pagsudi nyo sa gate, di ba? Sa may gibuhat dito, yes, ikuhaan mo og mao na'y temperature. Gikuhaan mo og temperature kung normal ba ang inyong hang giiniton sa lawas, di ba? Dito sa sa triage, kuhaon ang giniton o gibugnawon sa lawas aron makita kung mabahilante ang bata kay pakundon unsa niya papulion kung init gid siya. Okay? So unsa man tawag atong gigamit? Unsa tawag ato? Na-measure to. Na-measure ang initon sa inyong lawas. Yes. Nakita ninyo pila imong temperature, be? Yes, 36.6. Normal ra na siya. So, may bawaan nato. We can measure the coolness and the hotness of our body. And of course, also in our atmosphere. Maka-measure ta sa gainiton o ibugnahon sa atong palibot. Now, what is the instrument used to measure temperature? Sayo punto inyong ganina, temperature matong inyong measure. Pero ang temperature ang inyong gamiton. And temperature is not an instrument again. So karon, unsay instrumento nga gamiton aron pagsukod sa initon o gibugnahon sa lawas sa tao or sa atong palibot. Katong gigamit ni ma'am dito sa science pagkuha sa inyong temperature. Unsa may tawag ato? Wala. Pakit-on ta mo ha kaning murag pusil. Unsa may tawag ani? Di gyapon, sige basaha ko na sulat aning pusil-pusil. Yes, thermometer. Thermometer ang instrument nga gamiton pag sukod sa giiniton o gibugnahon sa atong palibot or sa ato ang lawas. That is the thermometer. Okay, everybody say it again. Thermometer. Say it again. Thermometer. Very good. Okay, now, what are the weather instruments? When we talk about thermometer, thermometer is an instrument used to measure the coldness and the hotness of our body or in the environment or the atmosphere. Now, what are the other weather instruments used to measure the weather condition? Okay, and that will be our lesson for today. The weather instruments and their uses. Okay, are you now ready? Okay, let's proceed. Let's try to read this one. Everybody, meteorologists use different instruments to measure weather conditions, but many of these instruments fall into relatively common. These instruments and measurements allow meteorologists to make predictions on the weather condition. When we say predictions, gibana-bana ra ang panahon. Not exact mo ginamahitabo, but makita na daan na ay mga different instruments nga mo measure sa atong weather condition. Gikusgon, gihinayon, gidakon sa dagom or asa ang direction sa hangin. Mao na siya mo detect ang mga different weather instruments, and that's why kanang atoang kanang pag-asa mo na siya mo predict sa muhatag nato sa kahimtang sa panahon. Banabana sa kahimtang sa panahon. That's predictions. I-estimate na nila ang weather condition by using different instruments. Okay? Let's start now. Okay. Unsa ni sa iyong tan-aw? Kini, unsa may sa iyong tan-aw? Ha? Urasan? Para sa inyong math nga nagkuan mo? Nag-convert mo og time? Urasan ni siya or tan-aw galihok man siya ang katungo, ang clock kay naman toy 3 hands, di ba? Kung kanipila man ka hands. Mapila ka hands o nay usa nay mabuk gamay, di ba? So unsa ni tawag ani? Nasa motor? Nasa motor kay lahi pud siya. Kani siya we're talking about weather instruments. Mga instrumento nga magamit sa pagbanabana sa atong kahimtang sa panahon. Okay, here. This is barometers. Barometer measures atmospheric pressure in measurement of millibars. Unsay tawag ani? Yes, barometers. Para unsa ang barometers? Yes, measures atmospheric pressure or aron sayon ra hinumduman. Barometers measure atmospheric pressure. Ay lang sa inyong hinumdumin later. Kanila sa inyong timan-an. Basta barometer, ang iyang sukdon ang pressure. Barometer, pressure. Okay, again, what is this instrument? Yes, barometer. Barometer, ano siya? Measures atmospheric pressure. Ang barometer. Timani ha? Una pa ni. Sige, padayon ta. Okay, kaning tulo. Unsa ka ni? Like this one. Unsay tanawan nyo ani? Ha? Mura og tablet? Unsa pag inyo kasulti ani? Mura og? Rilo? Mura rilo. Mura radyo. Unsa pag yun? Unsa pag yun? Sige. Kani po, sa yung tanaw. Mura og ceiling. Unsa na, mura og kanang stand fan or ceiling fan. Kanang mga gagmay nga mga fan diha nga. Kanang handy ra siya. Rechargeable nga fan, di ba? Mura-mura siya. Unsay tawag ani? Unsay ngalan ani instrument? Kani po siyang usa. Naino na ni arrow. Na tail din na arrow. Naman ni siya east, west, north, south. Mura og Beyblade. Kisa kita og Beyblade. Kisa gano'n lang Beyblade. Mura ba gano'n Beyblade? Mura may ang tinora pero this is not a Beyblade. This is one of the weather instruments na higamit sa pagsukod sa panahon. Okay. Sige, kani atong ilhon. Okay, unsa din ni? What is this weather instrument? Okay? Mo na siya. This is, everybody, unsa ni siya? Yes, hygrometer. Again, what is this? Yes, hygrometer. And what is hygrometer? Okay, everybody, measures temperature and humidity using degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. One type of hygrometer is called a sling thermometer. Okay, ang tawag day ani hygrometer, used to measure temperature and humidity. Mo na iyong timanan ha, kaning iyon yung murag orasan, murag tablet, mo na siya gitawag og hygrometer, used to measure humidity and temperature. Okay, so ganina, unsa to ganina? Barometer. Unsay gamit sa barometer? Measures pressure. And this one, hygrometer, used to measure temperature and humidity. Okay, kaduha na ha, timan i. Okay, here, kani. Unsa kay tawag ani? Okay. Kana siya is anemometer. Unsa ni, everybody? Yes, anemometer. Everybody say it again. Anemometer. Okay, what is anemometer? Yes, measures the direction. Everybody, eyes in front. Measures the direction and speed of the wind in the miles per hour. Mo na siyang anemometer. Mo na siya musukod sa direksyon o gikusgon sa hangin using miles per hour. Mo na siya inigbagyo. Makita ni mo na siya usa ni siya gamiton aron mo detect kung unsa ang gikusgon o ang direksyon sa hangin asa padong. Okay, what is this again? Use anemometer. Ikapila naman eh. Yes, ikatulo. Everybody say it again. Okay, anemometer. Okay, this one. Katong giingon yung Beyblade. Unsa ka ni? Okay, here. This is a wind vane. Everybody? Everybody. Wind vane. Again, wind vane. What is wind vane? Okay, here. Measures the direction of the wind at any given point in time. Again, measures the direction of the wind at any given point in time. Or, wind vane measures wind direction. Di man iha? Basta wind direction, ang answer ana, ang instrument ana gamiton, wind vane. Kung direction and speed ganyan ga-measure, ang instrument ana gamiton, anemometer. Kung humidity, yes, hygrometer. Kung pressure, very good, barometer. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, na ko'y tulo. Unsa ka nino na move diha muraog? Muraog pitsil? Okay, kani usa pud ni tanawa. Gatig-tuyok pagid siya. Unsa na? Ni kani pud unsa pud ni? Sige ato nang ilhon. Kani atong unahon. Mao na siya ikapila na ni. Ikalima. Ikalima ni siya. Okay. Mao na siya gitawag og rain gauge. Again, rain gauge. Follow me. Everybody, eyes in front. Eyes on the screen. Rain gauge. Okay, what is rain gauge? What is the use of rain gauge? Okay, rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. When we talk about rain, automatic na siya nga rain gauge used to measure the amount of rainfall. Unsa ang gidaghanon sa ulan nga natagak sa ground? Unsa kadaghan sa ulan nga naabot sa yuta? That is, ang mong instrument ana nga mo measure ang, yes, rain gauge. Okay, mo na ikaupat. Then ikalima. Yes, ikalima. And this is the sixth one. Kasi tawag ka ani muraog muraog tower. Sa may tanaw ninyo na muraog signal. Okay, mo na siya gitawag og hail pad. Okay, everybody. Hail pad. Kasi tawag ani? What instrument is this? Yes, hail pad. What is the use of hail pad? It measures the size of the hail that falls during a storm. Okay, mao na siya ang musukod sa gidakuon sa kung Chris atuwa ka wala man tay snow, kanang clouds nga bugat kaayo nga piting dark clouds, dako na kay heavy clouds ang siya nga mo siya hail. Muna siya ang hail pad mo detect kung unsa ang gidakon sa kana siya nga muhagbong sa kalibutan asa to ang ground. Kung ato sa gawas snow man to ila didto. Kita wa man tay snow, ang emission of snow puto didto ato diri ang rain. Ini storm unsa gidakon makita nimo padung na gani ang storm makita dayon nga usog ang ulan na napitan na nanay mo alarm din na ng NDRRMC mo text dayon ato ang mama ato inyo mga ate mo text na dito nga naanay gi-calculate na daan nga naipadung nga kusog nga ulan anang dapita niya mag-amping kay dunay nay posibilidad sa landslide tungod sa kusog sa ulan. Giunsa pa na pag suko mo na kay balo man na sila nga nay ulan nga padung nga kusog. Because of the hail pad, makita man nila ang gidakon gibugaton sa panganod ng dapita nga mao nay mobundak sa mobundak dihang lugara. So ma-estimate na sa taga Pag-asa, ma-predict nila ang gikusgon ang gibugaton sa panganod makita man nimo ang pila ka tons na siya sa tubig nga mohagsa sa usa ka lugar. Okay, unsay tawag ana? Yes, hail pad. So timaan basta rain gauge, rainfall, basta hail pad, hail size. Ato ang rain ra, ang clouds lang na rain dito sa gawas, snow ilang dito. Okay, mo na siya ika? Yes, ika-unom. Okay ni, mo ni atong last nga kat-unon unsa ka ni? Murag bulang kristal, di ba? Murag mata sa isda, murag bulang kristal. Unsa pud siya kirew-kirew? Ako lang nag-i-appeal kay wala pa ko kitaan ni nag-move. So ako lang siya gi-appeal. Kaning circle aning dinhi, mo ni siya represents aning nga white. Mo na siya, makita ko sa ni siya ron. Okay. Unsa ni tawag ani nga weather instrument? Mo na siya gitawag og Campbell-Stokes recorder. Everybody? Read it again. Okay, Campbell-Stokes recorder. What is the use of Campbell-Stokes recorder? Yes, measure sunshine. Mo ni akong gingon ganina. Kani siyang circle, this represents the ball here. Kani siyang lingin. Yung kaning kakiriw-kiriw din, this is a sunshine. Nakabantay mo or nakadungog mo sa radyo nga mayingon day ang adlaw mo silang sa alas 6 uno sa butag. Ika next day, lahi na pud siya ang oras o ang minuto o sa orasa ang pagsilang sa adlaw. Mo ni siya ang gamiton nga mo predict kanus unsang orasa mo silang adlaw kay movement niya ani. Okay? Sige, unsa po kido gayon nga mo memorize makita gyud nato ang adlaw. So mo na siya gitawag og Campbell-Stokes recorder. Ikapila ni? Yes, pito. Unsa to ang una? Barometer. Sunod? Hygrometer. Sunod? Anemometer. Wind vane. Then kini siyang rain gauge. Dayon hail pad and the Campbell-Stokes recorder. Okay? Sige, timan ina ha. Okay, padayon ta. Okay, ato nito bagon. Answer this question. Here, what weather instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure? Okay, very good. Barometer. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Okay, next question. How about measures wind speed? Wind speed? Yes, the wind. Yes, that's the wind vane. That's the anemometer. Anemometer measures wind direction and wind speed. Anemometer. And how about this one? It measures the amount of rainfall. Very good. Rain gauge. Dali ra kay siya basag na rain. Rain gauge dayon ang answer. Ano yung maglibog sa anemometer o wind vane? Pero when we talk about wind vane, that measures wind direction. When we talk anemometer, measures wind speed. Mo na ipares. Okay, next. How about measures humidity? What instruments used to measure humidity? Yes, very good. Hygrometer. This hygrometer that is used, an instrument used to measure humidity. Okay. And this one measures directions of the wind. Kung sa may mukha sa directions of the wind, yes, wind vane. Ito na yung usbon ha. Ang wind vane measures the direction of the wind. Humidity measures humidity. Yes, an instrument used is the hygrometer. And rainfall, rain gauge, the wind vane, wind speed is anemometer, and the atmospheric pressure is the barometer. Very good. Okay, now, are you ready for your assessment? You need to view it again. Okay, for your assessment, here. Read each item carefully. Choose only the letter of the correct answer. Now, please get a sheet of paper. Write your name. Write your name, of course. Write your name, your grade and section, and the date. Ang pizza, inyong pangalan, ang inyong grado kung sa mga section, ug ang pizza karong adlaw. Muna inyong isulat sa papel. Okay? Okay, ready? Sige, in the count of 3. Ready na tanan? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, get ready for this question. Again, everybody read the directions. Okay, read each sentence carefully. Choose only the letter of the correct answer. Unsay isulat? Unsay pilion? Yes, choose only the letter of the correct answer. Letter lang. Mayon na po mong isulat ang kuan ma, isulat sa ang word. Letter na choose only the letter of the correct answer. Okay? Letter arang mas dali. Okay, number 1. Everybody read. What weather instrument used to measure sunshine? Okay, again. What weather instrument used to measure sunshine? Letter A, barometer. Letter B, Campbell-Stokes recorder. Letter C, rain gauge. Okay? Sige. A, B, or C. Number 2. Measures humidity. What weather instruments used to measure humidity and using degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit? A, anemometers. B, hail pad. Letter C, hygrometers. Diba? Ang hatang kiingon, basta humidity, unsay instrument gamiton. Is it anemometer, hail pad, or hygrometers? Okay? Number 3. What? Everybody read. Kind of instrument used to measure the direction of the wind at a given point in time. Unsa man? Okay, A, hail pad. B, rain gauge. Letter C, wind vane. Directions of the wind. Timan A. What is that? A, hail pad. B, rain gauge. Letter C, wind vane. Okay, write the letter. Choose the letter. 4. Measures the direction and speed of the wind in miles per hour. Again, measures the direction and the speed of the wind in miles per hour. A, anemometers. B, barometers. C, hygrometers. Okay, what weather instrument used to measure the direction and the speed of the wind? Is it anemometer, letter A? B, barometer. C, hygrometers. Okay, choose A, B, and C. And the last, number 5. It is measures the atmospheric pressure. What weather instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure? A, anemometers. B, barometers. And the next, and this letter C, hail pad. Okay, take note. Atmospheric pressure. What weather instrument? Again, A, anemometer. B, barometers. And C, hail pads. Okay, done? Okay. Okay, please stop writing now. Okay, sige. Okay, pass your paper in front. Do not stand. Oh, pass in front. Do not stand. Pass it forward. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. And for your assignment, look at this. Please bring this on next session. On your next meeting, in our next meeting, in our next session, please bring these things. This one. Please copy. Copy lang sana for your assignment, for the things to bring on the next session. One is, first is disposable paper plate and disposable cup. Or, it can be paper plate or paper cup. I don't know, disposable cup. Then, marker or pencil pen or any pen na dagkog-agi. Then, sharpen pencil with an eraser. Oh, lapis nga tinalhan nga na-eraser dyan siya. Then, stick pin like ones used for sewing. Kato ganing murag dagom pero na siya ulo-ulo nga color-color nga lingin aron to protect atong kamot nga di matusok. Mo na siya stick pin. Plastic drinking straw. Usa ra sir kabuok atong drinking straw. Pair of scissors, small rocks, cardboard, and soft clay. Okay, copy these things, copy this, and tell your parents to bring this on our next meeting or next session. Okay? Okay, done copying? Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, kids, and goodbye.